how to adjust the brightness of all of the interior lighting, the cockpit, the screen, the display, everything on a BMW 2 Series. This is a 2026 via the infotainment system. What this is going to do is at night, you can adjust it and it will just dim everything or brighten everything up depending on what you want to do. Very simple to do. We're going to come in here from the infotainment system and we're going to hit the little menu here. It'll probably open up into all, which you could get there from here, but it's easier just to go to vehicle. And then from vehicle, if we just scroll down a little bit, you'll see there's this interior lighting. And if from interior lighting, you can see if I choose cockpit brightness, this is how bright it will be at night, from very dim to very bright. And it's going to set all of the brightness, the entire, for everything. This side ambient lighting, screens, all that kind of stuff. So anyways, hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.